Welcome to our video on the best PDRN serums, featuring a full review and a crucial fake alert to help you shop safely. The Salmon DNA trend is surging, with a 125% spike in K-beauty searches. It's replacing the, quote, anti-aging focus, centering instead on glass skin and barrier recovery, with massive global engagement. Polydesoxyribonucleotide, or PDRN, consists of biological DNA fragments. Derived from purified salmon sperm or plants, it was first used for wound healing and acts as a cellular messenger for repair. PDRN promotes skin recovery by decreasing hyperpigmentation without stinging or downtime. This differs from resurfacing ingredients like retinol, which triggers new collagen synthesis. We are comparing three leading PDRN serums: Rejuran, the clinical OG, Medicube, the viral glow, and Anua, the hydration station. Rejuran is the heavyweight, featuring 0.5% CPDRN and retinol. It targets deep wrinkles and severe texture, offering clinical-grade, fast-firming results at a premium price point of around $72. Medicube, the viral glow, combines salmon DNA, peptides, and niacinamide. It targets dullness and loss of elasticity, providing instant, quote, glass skin and fast absorption at an accessible $22 price. Anua, the hydrator, uses PDRN and 11 types of hyaluronic acid. This $27 serum targets dry, compromised barriers and is best for extreme sensitivity and deep plumping. Warning: fake PDRN serums are flooding online shops. These counterfeits can cause chemical burns and breakouts due to fake formulas. The Anua PDRN is currently the most counterfeited. To spot a fake, check the flap gap on the box. Real serums have a distinct wide gap between the inner flaps, while fakes have zero space between the opening flaps. Look for the neck gap. Real serums feature a flush, seamless cap connection. Counterfeits have a noticeable wide space under the bulb. Examine the dropper tip. The real dropper has a solid white plastic and a slim precision tip. Fakes often use translucent plastic and a wide glass tip. PDRN has an extremely safe clinical profile with zero barrier disruption. You may experience mild tingling. However, avoid it if you have a severe fish allergy, and consult a doctor if pregnant or nursing. If you have fish allergies or ethical concerns, PhytoPDRN, derived from plants like ginseng and green tea, is a vegan alternative. The top pick is VT Cosmetics PDRN 100 Essence. For aging, choose Rejuran, though it's pricey. For dry skin and barrier repair, Anua is hydrating and soothing. The best overall, offering value and glow, is Medicube.